Claiming a Philips Sonicare warranty without a receipt is possible through several verification methods accepted by Philips in 2025. The ideal method is product registration within 30 days of purchase. This creates a direct record in Philips' system, making warranty claims straightforward. If you haven't registered your product, Philips accepts several alternative verification methods. They can cross-reference serial numbers with manufacturing dates, check retailer databases, verify credit card statements, and have special provisions for gift recipients. Various documents can serve as proof of purchase. Credit card statements, online order confirmations, completed warranty cards, retailer loyalty program records, and insurance claim documents are all acceptable alternatives to traditional receipts. Understanding warranty periods is important for eligibility. Most Sonicare models come with a standard 2-year warranty from the purchase date. Premium models like the Diamond Clean series may have extended coverage of up to 3 years. The key takeaway is that Philips offers multiple verification methods for warranty claims, making it possible to receive coverage even without traditional purchase receipts. The warranty claim process begins by contacting Philips support. You can visit their official website or call customer service directly. You'll need to provide specific product details, including the model number, serial number, and purchase information. These are typically found on a label on your toothbrush. Complete the warranty claim form with detailed information about the problem. Submit any alternative proof of purchase you have available. Philips will verify your purchase through their databases, may contact the retailer, or check product registration records. This verification process is crucial for approval. Once verification is complete, you'll receive notification of approval or denial. If approved, you'll get instructions for replacement or repair, including return shipping arrangements. For the best chance of success, provide multiple forms of purchase evidence, maintain detailed communication records, and follow up promptly. Processing typically takes 7 to 10 business days without a receipt, compared to 3 to 5 days with one.